Today we're installing premium mud flaps for the Model Y Juniper. I think we carry these for all of the versions of Model 3 and Model Y. This one's for Juniper. So what makes these premium? Quick sales pitch is these are made of two different types of material. So TPU for the flexible piece and then ABS for this top piece. So what that means is that if you're going over, it's less of an issue in Model Y because it sits higher than Model 3. But if you're going over speed bumps or something like that, it's not going to break off, it's just going to bend. So it's really good for that. There's no kind of cavities or anything to build anything up. So if you drive in cold weather with snow and ice, you're not going to accumulate a bunch of snow and ice on your car as you're driving along. So what you're looking at here is a half set. I've already got the set over on the passenger side. I'll show you that in a second. But what's in the box, obviously you get 4 mud flaps. So Tesla will only sell you a set for the front. We sell a set for all 4 wheels. And then you get the little plugs. So I want to just kind of show you, there's 2 types of plugs. So I'm going to show you on the camera over here. This is the larger plug and you'll see me using these. That just fits in like that. So that's how you assemble it before you install it on the car. And then you've got these smaller ones as well. So get those in there as well. Same thing, just push it into the middle and then that secures the plug. So that's what we're going to be using for it. You also get a 10mm socket, that's for the rear mud flap, and you get a little screwdriver just to pry off the existing clips. Super easy to do. The whole installation should take you no more than maybe 10-15 minutes, absolute tops. And then if I just quickly show you on the other side of the car. So this is what they look like installed. You can see they fit perfectly. They follow the contour of the car, not making contact with any paintwork or anything else like that, but super secure. And then on the front, same thing, just a very clean finish. And they really do help kind of prevent any kick up along the side of your Model Y Juniper. We've just come out of a cold period in Dallas. Hopefully that's it, but the car was pretty disgusting, but the mud flaps did a great job. So with that said, we're going to go outside, better lighting, and get the the driver's side installed. Okay, here we are on the front one. We're going to start with that. The big important tip before we start is do not pre-assemble the plugs because they won't go in very easily if you do. So we're going to leave them like that. We're going to pop these out. So just using the supply screwdriver. These come out very easily. Maybe not as easy as that. That was a lucky one, but there we go. So those are the factory plugs out. And then to install this, it's pretty dusty out here. The main thing is this little hook here goes behind the wheel arch. So we're going to do that first. And then just kind of drop it down to where it finds its natural position. You can see on here it's all lined up with the trim and everything else. So we know it's in the right spot. And get your insert or plug. Just do that for now. Do that for the other one as well. That way you know you're in the right spot. I've got the wheel turned out as well, just so there's better access behind here. And then grab these, the sort of plug inserts, and just push them home. I'm going to do the other one as well. These go in with a bit of effort. So what I'm going to do is just grab just anything, but just something that isn't as squashy as your finger, basically, just to give you a bit more leverage and push that in. And same for this one. A bit more tricky because it's behind the wheel. We'll get it. There we go. And that is absolutely rock solid. Okay, let's go on to the rear. Okay, onto the rear. This is going to be stating the obvious, but trust me, we have so many people trying to put the mud flap on this side of the wheel. It goes on this rear part here, or of the wheel arch. So the first thing we're going to do again is just pop out the factory clips. 1 and 2. And then underneath there's a 10mm bolt that we need to pop out. So when you do this, I'm just using the supplied wrench. If you feel like it's not turning, but you do feel like it's twisting a little bit, but the thread isn't moving, stop and spray this area completely with WD-40 just to loosen up the bolt. It's not been an issue so far in any of the Junipers, but this was a very weak weld point in the original Model Y. So if you feel too much resistance, then just put some penetrating oil on it so that it comes out cleanly. without breaking anything. Okay. All right, just leave that there for now. Okay, so again, I don't have my plugs pre-assembled, but have them ready. So that goes with that, of course, and then this little plug. And they do go in different spots, so be cognizant of that. First thing to do, this little clip here is what goes behind the wheel arch trim. So we're going to clip that behind there first, like so. And then I'm doing this a little bit blind because I can't really... there we go. So that's in the right spot. So I'm going to grab the big clip that goes at the back, like that. And then the small clip goes at the front. Oops, like that. And then we're going to push this one home, like so. Same for this back one. And then we're going to put the bolt back in underneath, and that's what secures the mud flap. So much dust out here. So you'll see it's nicely positioned on the trim, so the hole will be right there. Just going to tighten this up with my fingers and finish up with the wrench. And this just needs to be hand tight. Obviously don't over tighten it, but that's plenty good enough. And there you go. That's how you install the premium mud flaps for your Model Y Juniper. Thanks for watching.